Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're passionate about drone technology, aerial photography, and cutting-edge innovation, this is the video for you. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to redefine compact drone performance, bringing advanced features that push the boundaries of lightweight aerial imaging. With a projected release in Q2 2025, the next-generation drone is expected to introduce groundbreaking capabilities, including LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, improved imaging technology, and extended flight times. Let's explore what makes this upcoming model a potential game-changer for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Design and portability. Keeping it lightweight and compact. Staying true to the Mini series reputation, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain its ultra-lightweight design, ensuring it stays under the critical 250g weight category. This weight classification is essential for compliance with international drone regulations, allowing users to enjoy seamless operation without additional licensing requirements in many regions. While the Mini 5 Pro will likely share a similar form factor with its predecessor, rumors suggest subtle yet impactful refinements that enhance aerodynamics and durability. Key design enhancements. Aerodynamic tweaks. Improved stability and wind resistance for smoother flight. Durable materials. Stronger yet lightweight construction for added resilience. Folding mechanism upgrades. A more compact and portable design for travel convenience. New color options. Aesthetic refinements for a sleek, modern appearance. Enhanced landing gear. Improved stability on uneven terrain, reducing wear and tear. LiDAR-powered navigation and obstacle avoidance. One of the most exciting rumored features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance. Unlike previous models that relied on standard vision sensors, LiDAR technology provides highly accurate distance measurements, allowing the drone to map its surroundings with precision. This innovation could revolutionize drone navigation, especially in complex environments where precise obstacle detection is crucial. Expected AI and navigation features. 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Full coverage including lateral sensors. Advanced AI tracking. Improved active track for seamless subject following. Autonomous flight paths. AI-driven cinematic shot execution. Enhanced GPS and signal stability. Reliable connectivity for extended range flights. Next-level camera system. A leap forward in aerial photography. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to redefine aerial imaging, catering to content creators, filmmakers, and photography enthusiasts. If rumors hold, we could see a major upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor to a larger 1-inch sensor, significantly enhancing image quality, dynamic range, and low-light performance. With potential 6K video recording capabilities, this drone could deliver ultra-high-resolution footage, perfect for both cinematic projects and social media content. Camera and imaging highlights. 1-inch sensor. Superior clarity and improved low-light performance. 6K video resolution. Unmatched detail and Ultra HD footage. Enhanced gimbal stabilization. Smoother shots, even in turbulent conditions. Portrait mode support. Ideal for social media content creation. HDR and AI-enhanced processing. Vibrant colors and sharper contrasts. Performance and flight capabilities. Stronger, smarter, and longer lasting. Flight performance is another area where the Mini 5 Pro is set to shine. With improved aerodynamics, enhanced battery technology, and smarter flight controls, the drone is poised to offer an exceptional user experience. Performance enhancements. Extended flight time. Rumored to exceed 40 minutes per charge. Better wind resistance. Improved stability in varying weather conditions. Sensor fusion technology. More precise hover and movement control. Intelligent battery management. Longer lifespan and more efficient power consumption. Advanced connectivity and control. Fly further, fly smarter. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to build on the OcuSync 4.0 technology introduced with its predecessor. A stronger and more stable signal connection could mean better control at greater distances, making it ideal for professionals working in challenging environments. Anticipated connectivity upgrades. Extended range. Beyond the 12.4-mile capability of the Mini 4 Pro. Faster data transmission. real-time low-latency video streaming, stronger anti-interference technology, ideal for urban and mountainous regions. Potential release date and pricing. What to expect? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set for a Q2 2025 release, aligning with DJI's pattern of spring and summer product launches. Pricing is anticipated to range between $700 and $800, positioning it as a premium option in the compact drone market. Given its rumored technological advancements, the pricing seems to offer strong value for both enthusiasts and professionals. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro the ultimate compact drone? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most significant advancements in consumer drone technology. By integrating LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance, a powerful 1-inch sensor, AI-driven smart features, and extended flight capabilities, it promises to set a new standard in the compact drone industry. Whether you're a hobbyist, social media creator, or professional filmmaker, this drone aims to deliver exceptional performance in a lightweight and highly portable package. As we await the official announcement, excitement continues to build for what could be one of the most revolutionary drone releases of 2025. Stay tuned for more updates, and let me know in the comments. What feature excites you the most about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Thanks for watching Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech insights and drone updates. See you in the next video.